Ka undi basnyam bat penjas Liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Liang Pyrshah hayang darbar ba kari lani ke parliament kala Pynïeng du Nongbishar pla Shongthait jang Supreme Court u Justice retired B Sudarshan Reddy kumukurtong Vice President ubanyakon yake election Vice President ke Bansalong haga khandai trikunai lur menta usnem. U Justice Reddy unyakun Pyrshah yu kurtong Liang Sinshar u bediru ulat jang Maharashtra u CP Radhakrishnan. Reddy ubana Andhra Pradesh ulas dang kumunong ya saat an haus nem ka kandai spa nyo puwe ha Andhra Pradesh High Court haus nem ka kandai spa kandai posan ulas at hong kumu judge par haus nem Ardhar Stanpan ulabat kumu Chief Justice jong Guwahati High Court. Latung yu kumu judge jong ka Supreme Court hau kalaling court Ardhar nyo but ulas Shongthait no hau nai tung jong nem Ardhar khatwe. Shuaban jiet yu kladan ka to ka ningot kikerteng ki bapau ki Liang Pyrshah ka kwa ban Pynïeng bakin thop nadu scientist berim ka ISRO umul swami anadurai berukun kseu jong Mahatma Gandhi ubadeiru unong thokot utushar Gandhi Henry haka bakaddo la jiet ka kerteng jong uredi. Kinot vote nakabentak election vice president gida news pa prapu arngot bakin thop yiki dikot jong ka Lok Sabha bat Rajya Sabha nadu ki basha jiet bat ki bashusi. Banjab yeganik election don kamanyo Lice Park na pu vote. KNDA kabadai ka Liang Sinshar ka don Ars Park na pu laingot kidikot halok sabha bat Shis Park la pu laingot haraja sabha kapapin ba KNDA kladan lupa South Park arpundengot ki MP.
Sri B. Sudarshan Reddy Garu is one of the India's most distinguished and progressive jurists. He has had a long and eminent legal career, including as judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court, and judge of the Supreme Court. He has been a consistent and courageous champion of social, economic and political justice. He is a poor man, and many judgments if you read, you will know that how he favored the poor people and also protected the constitution and fundamental rights. This vice presidential contest is an ideological battle. It is not just a battle, it is an ideological battle, and all the opposition party agreed on this. That's why we are contesting unitedly. The opposition parties have nominated Sri B. Sudarshan Reddy Garu as their joint candidate since he reflects fully and values that saved our country's freedom movement so profoundly and the values on which our country's constitution and democracy have been anchored. All these values are under assault, and therefore our collective and determined resolve to fight this election. So this is the name, and we had meeting just now and everybody consented and agreed this name. So we are fielding him as a vice president candidate.